names are Jane
and Yuha. Today we would like to introduce our project Home Sweet Tree.
We are from Seoul, South Korea. Now let's talk about our inspiration.
When we saw trees being cut down relentlessly, we knew we couldn't just watch. Did you know that trees give us the oxygen we breathe? That's why we need to protect them.
Trees are like the lungs of the earth, but people have been hurting them by cutting down more and more of them.
Even losing one tree can affect the environment. So we decided to give back by creating a tree house that helps the environment. Now that you know our inspiration, let's move on to our function.
The branches of the trees act like robotic arms that twist and move when a person is close. There are 3 rooms connected to corresponding branches labeled 0, 1, and 2. Each room is controlled by a holoco touch sensor.
For example, if you live in room 0, you press touch sensor 0 and the branch will lower, letting you into your room.
At the front of the treehouse, we've carefully positioned a ranging sensor for optimal human detection. When it detects an object at human height, it activates a speaker to warn people not to cut down trees.
Are you wondering about room 3? It's because it's a self-sustaining garden.
A soil moisture sensor in the garden measures the humidity of the soil. If it falls below a set threshold, a DC motor driver pumps water to keep it healthy and self-sustaining.
Here's our design. The light green parts are the strong, sturdy base. The black circle is a holocode, and the wires connect all the sensors.
The light turquoise parts are the servo motors that move corresponding branches, making sure you can get into your room safely and conveniently.
On the sides, we have the speaker and the ranging sensor. When it senses someone while scanning, the speaker activates.
This is our code. The first code is for the rotating tree branches. So when the touch sensor of the assigned room is touched, the room waits for 3 seconds until the owner can enter.
Then, this code detects if there is a certain height that is qualified as humid. And once that height is detected, a speaker on the side says a message.
Then there's a sustainable garden that has a soil moisture sensor planted into it, so that when a certain amount of high humidity is detected, the water pump pumps a bit of water for 5 seconds, giving the concept of watering plants.
Here's the hardware we used. The ranging sensor detects when someone is nearby, so the tree can make an announcement using a speaker.
The DC motor driver pumps water for the self-sustaining garden. The servo motors rotate the branches for the rooms.
The soil moisture sensor measures humidity, turning on the DC motor driver to pump water. The main controller is the holocode, which powers everything from the rotating branches to the self-sustaining garden.
That's our hardware.
This is our robot. It's a bionic treehouse with many functions. The branches rotate so people can enter their rooms safely and conveniently. These private rooms are controlled by holocode touch sensors. For example, if you live in room 0, you press touch sensor 0. Then the branch will lower, letting you into your room. It's the same thing with room 1 and room 2.
Room 3, unlike other rooms, is a self-sustaining garden. If the soil gets dry, the water pump activates. If someone approaches to the house, the ranging sensor will immediately detect him and trigger the speaker which says, "Do not cut down trees."
Throughout this project, we learned how important trees are and the disastrous effects of deforestation. Deforestation is caused by people cutting down trees, leading to serious environmental problems, such as tree extinction.
By making a treehouse that helps the environment, we believe we can slow down and stop deforestation.
We realized that sometimes, instead of letting
trees be cut down, you can turn them into homes. Together, we can make a positive impact for both ourselves
and our planet Earth.
Thank you for listening.
And have a great day.